We're taking off for Colombia. Really? Move it. Hey there, it's Laura from the future, ending our weekend camping trip. Just wanted to say hello before we get started and showing you where we go and what we do for a quick weekend away. And I wanted to just let you know, we didn't use any of our water in the camper van. We brought our own, but we were still able to use our toilet. So we keep it really simple so that we can go on these quick trips more often. Hope you enjoy. Coda's got her spot. Jay's driving. Nice close-up. Leaving Kansas City. When you get stuck in traffic, what, 30 minutes outside of Kansas City on I-70, it's the worst. But it's construction, so we're looking to see if people are going to zipper like they're supposed to. At our favorite place. Oh, there's a motorcycle up there. Let me show you the best pizza in the world.
Is that a BSA?
So good. Lunch was great, but look what's waiting for us. We brought you something. The nice thing about having leftovers is we can put the leftovers in the fridge. Do they fit?
They will.
Yeah, for now. We can put them in Ziplocs later.
Yep.
The only time I'll get Jay into a grocery store shopping.
Oh, one of those all those scouts.
Storm and Norman.
There was one place tomorrow. Okay, we know we can come here from you. Well, here, quick, hell, any place. Gas stations. There's a lot of places. What do you need a pound? They're 17 pounds though.
I know.
Yeah.
Here we go. Are you excited? Are you ready to be there? Yeah? Look at all the people. Can't let you loose. No running free for you on this trip. Okay, Jay's putting up our number. Coda's already exploring across the street. Here's our campsite. Backs up to the woods. Woods on the side. It's pretty sweet. You checking out our whole place? You checking it out, make sure it's all good? Do you approve, Coda? Do you approve? Step number one, setting up camp. We've got a friend here with us, and I am working on the refrigerator. So, have to rearrange a few things to get everything to fit. We've got our groceries back here in the hallway of sorts. So I'm gonna unpack. 2 days of food, 3 people. Let's check it. Look at this. 1, 2.
You have some stickers on you.
4. Don't let this part of the trail fool you. The leaves are very helpful with the mud. Muddiest trail we've ever been. Uh-oh. What I know is we're at Finger Lakes State Park.
Correct.
Yeah. And Jay used to ride his three-wheeler here. We're also close to the strip pits where he almost killed me by rolling over on his three-wheeler. And it's really muddy. Where are we?
That
mining?
is it. It is. So it's this a Missouri State Park. It's the Finger Lake State Park, just north of Columbia, Missouri. So it's an old strip mining area, and before they had to do land reclamation and fill in all the digs, they wound up giving the land to the state of Missouri. And then of course the pits just filled in with water and become lakes. So there's a bunch of long, skinny, deep lakes in the state park from the old strip mining. And what they've done is they've turned it into an ATV park. So motorcycles, ATVs, four-wheelers, whatnot can all these trails, hundreds of miles of trails through here. Muddy today because it rained a ton yesterday. And then all the lakes people can canoe and kayak on. That's a good place. Enjoy your hike?
No, not at all. This is better though. No, it was awful.
Why not?
Muddy, just like you said it would be.
It was very muddy. Very muddy. They had a bunch of rain here in Columbia.
Okay, but let's be honest. It's because there's no rocks or leaves like there are when we go other places and it's muddy. And so I thought there would be rocks or leaves. When we were in Arkansas, there were leaves. When we're in Colorado, there's rocks. It was just mud. This
place is designated for motorcycles and ATVs, so the trails get pretty muddy.
Oh, you're thirsty this time. Shouldn't usually drink that much.
Not much.
Back in the van, and we have dinner going. So we're starting with, in the cast iron pan, we got some carrots. I accidentally put the broccoli in too soon, so it's just sitting there. And the guys are outside setting up the fire. And as you can see, Jay's working really hard on that fire. And my lid. The guys are hanging outside, talking guy stuff, cleaning up a little bit. I'm in here with Coda editing, hanging out, and they just brought me hot chocolate. Yum! We also need to take a moment and pay tribute to my favorite camping shoes. I know. Aren't they amazing? They are even lined. Come on, right? I got them at Walmart for like 14 bucks. I also want to show you some of my leftover mud from my hike today. Epic. Good morning. The dog had me sleeping on the edge of the bed last night, but it was still delightful. And the best part is this. I'm showing the best part. Men making my breakfast. Well, the guys made a great breakfast, so now we are going to change and head into town for a little bit. Taking Coda on a walk at Mizzou. They make big squirrels here, and Coda is very intrigued. Good morning-ish from the MKT Trail in Columbia. Fun fact, when I went to school here, I've never walked it. I guess that wasn't my thing. I guess I walked around campus enough and worked out at the gym, but it's my first time on the trail. Tell us about the trail, Jay. What do you know?
Well, when we went to school here, it didn't go all the way through, as in all the way down to the Katy Trail. It went a few miles and stopped, and then I don't even remember how long ago it was. They eventually connected it all the way down to the Katy Trail. So it's about 9.5 miles, something like that, from the center of Columbia, and it goes right downtown Columbia, and then it takes you all the way out south to tie into the Katy Trail. So it's another rail trail. MKT is Missouri, Kansas, Topeka, I believe.
You're so full of information.
Rail trail, and then that ties into the Katy Rail Trail. Yeah, so that's about it.
And there's bikers on this trail too. No, actually, a lot of people will bike the Katy Trail and then bike into Columbia, right?
Yeah. In fact, it's the easiest way. If you're on the Katy Trail and you want to get into Columbia with your bike, then this is how you do it.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out some of our other videos and hope to see you soon. Happy travels.